Hello and welcome to this HowTech video tutorial. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to create a page background. So we go to Design, and we hit Page Color. And we have some options here to change the color of our background, but we need to go to Fill Effects. And we can change our gradient if we wanted a gradient. We can hit two colors and set up our gradient here. We have some gradient presets if we wanted to use them. We also have some texture options for our background. All sorts of different things. We even have patterns that we could use for our background, but I'm going to select a picture from my documents. And here we hit OK, and you can see we have a few problems. Right now it's repeating and tiling, which is not what we want. And even if we go to File, Print, you can see that it doesn't show up in the print preview, nor will it be printed out at all. This is more possibly for the web layout instead. So, to fix this, I'll just go ahead and hit no color here to get rid of all that. There is a bit of a workaround that we need to do if we wanted to print out a page background. We need to go into the header, and we need to insert a picture. And here, we'll insert our background. I'll right-click it, change the size and position. Now this will be different depending on what kind of size of page you're using. I'll just use a standard 8.5 by 11 inch. So that should be fine. I'll hit OK. Now we right click it, wrap text, and we want this to be behind the text. We don't want it covering our text. So I'll just position that. We see the green guidelines. So now it's all positioned. I'll just hit escape and get out of the header. And you can see it's grayed out, but that's alright. That's exactly what headers are supposed to do. And in our print preview we see it all quite nicely, except there's this white border around, and that's simply because, well, printers just can't print in those margins. It's just not possible for them to do that. So this is as far as you're going to get if you wanted to print out an entire page background. This has been a HowTech video tutorial. Please like, subscribe, comment, and thank you for watching.